For Chicago Waldorf School, it is since early childhood. We see examples of sustainability. When you go into an early childhood classroom and you see all these natural elements that they use, it's bringing the outside to the inside. Then when they come in grade school, in third grade, they do gardening, and I think that that's a great also way, because they plant, then they cook what they planted, right? And then they also harvest. In seventh grade, it has been for many years that they are in charge of collecting the recyclable materials that we produce here at the school.
We have a faculty administration sustainability committee, which helps do different initiatives within the school and helps with events just to be more sustainable themselves. The high school has also started their own high school club, sustainability club, which is exciting for them to kind of take that and go forward with it on their own. And we just began composting with WasteNot. Really excited to do that. We have a hot lunch program that uses compostable containers. So instead of throwing them all in the garbage, they actually get composted and used.
So my name is Tommy Vaughn. I work for WasteNot Compost here in Chicago. Your team at the school is making sure that whatever ends up in the carts that are on site is 100% compostable waste. We're coming by an electric vehicle. We're taking the contents of that cart, putting it into a larger container that's a part of our vehicle. The waste is brought back to our Northside Chicago headquarters. WasteNot believes strongly in aerobic industrial composting is the process that we are always doing with every piece of waste that we collect. Chicago Waldorf School is a great partner for us because, one, they're local. We're both, local Chicago institutions here. And we're keeping this waste in the city, making sure that it doesn't end up somewhere else. We provide some of the greenest jobs in the city. So by partnering with us, using our service at the school, you guys are supporting a local business that is doing some great work here in the city.
The school as a whole is trying to be more sustainable. I think it's a large part of as we move forward. The history of Waldorf, we use sustainable materials, we use natural materials, so they cost more. So I think in general, I think our community fund helps bridge that gap between what we have and then to bring those quality materials to the students. As far as sustainability, I think our composting is, a piece of that. It costs extra money. So in order to sustain that and to continue with those efforts, we definitely will need extra funding.
I think that every time we try to find more opportunities for the students to learn how important it is to take care of the world, and it could be with very small things and it could be with big things, and it's like planting seeds to them, right? That maybe we're not going to see the final product right away, but we will see it in the future when they finish this education and they go out to the world.